We're bringing you a backyard full of never-before-seen firsts on this episode of Inside Disney Parks. Here at Toy Story Land at Disney's Hollywood Studios, the anticipation is building. For months, Disney Parks blog has shared daytime views of Toy Story Land's new attractions. Now, you are among the first to see an exclusive review of Andy's backyard at night.
Tonight was the first night at Toy Story Land. We got to see audio and lighting integrated together on the attractions, both Slinky Dog Dash and Alien Swirling Saucers.
We've got the ride system now. All of its movement is programmed in. We have this incredible original music.
I think you understand just how dynamic it's all going to be when it comes together, but frankly, nothing can really prepare you for the moment when you see all of that come together in harmony like it has tonight.
It is fantastic. We're so excited for guests to see it.
Toy merchandiser Dan Vega designs toys for a living. That's gotta be the coolest job.
I've got a first look at new toys made for Toy Story Land. We worked with Disney Imagineers to design these small-scale replicas based on the new attraction. First up, we have an Alien Swirling Saucer pullback toy. We took the full-scale 3D model from the attraction and shrank it down to create an exact replica. Next, we have a spring-action Slinky Dog Dash Power Boost playset. Just like the Slinky Dog Dash coaster, this toy features spinning flames and launching vehicle action. These and other playful products will be available at 2 retail stands at Toy Story Land and at select shops at Disney's Hollywood Studios this summer.
Disney California Adventure Park is bringing the magic of a million lights with the dazzling Paint the Night Parade, and it's about to get even more spectacular. Michael Ramirez is behind the scenes as Disney Imagineers put the finishing touches on an incredible new float premiering this summer.
We are in the parade warehouse behind Disney California Adventure Park, where they're in the final phase of construction for the all-new Incredibles float joining the Paint the Night Parade. The dynamic new float connects both the Incredibles and Incredibles 2, picking up where the first film left off and portraying the scene that shows the Parr family and their pal Frozone banding together against the supervillain known as the Underminer. This float is 11 feet wide, 18 feet tall, and 30 feet long. One of my favorite elements is of Dash. His superhuman speed will be captured through an innovative system of 64 individually lit frames, flashing as he races in circles around the float. This incredible float joins Paint the Night later this month, and Pixar Fest continues now through September 3rd.
Bring your passport and get ready to shrink down and play big. Woody and his pals are bringing wacky thrills and excitement to our parks around the world. We've covered Toy Story Land attractions, merchandise. Now all that's missing is the food.
We're giving guests a first taste of what we have cooking up at Woody's Lunchbox. We put a modern twist on classic favorites. As a nod to Cowboy Woody, we have the delicious barbecue brisket melt. For something sweet, we offer the raspberry or chocolate hazelnut lunchbox tarts, which are the perfect handheld pastry. Our Mystic Portal Punch has flavors of lemon lime and tangerine and can be ordered in the Alien Sipper. And I'm bringing a special friend along to find out what our guests think.
That's amazing. I love the barbecue sauce and the cheese.
Hint of smoke in it.
It's a good combo. Oh, it's fruity. It is
That's
good.
really good.
All right.
Oh boy, this is awesome.
It is. And they're flaky.
Oh yeah. This one's got bacon.
So what do you think about Woody's Lunchbox?
It's good. I like
This is really good.
I want this in my lunch every day.
Check out Disney Parks blog to find out what other tasty eats and treats we're dishing up at Woody's Lunchbox.
Today I'm getting my first chance to ride Slinky Dog Dash at Toy Story Land. Come on. Bill, thanks for riding with us.
My pleasure. I couldn't ride this enough. I love it.
What should families expect on this attraction?
And I think what's nice about this, you know, my granddaughters love coasters. They're gonna really love this one because the whole family's gonna love it. So my favorite part's coming up.
Woo!
Because you're about to look over the edge and now the fun really begins. Woo! He is fast and he is smooth.
All right, Mark, I know you're gonna love Toy Story Land and Slinky Dog Dash.
I can't wait, and I know you're ready to play with Buzz, Woody, and all their friends at Toy Story Land at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We'll see you next time on Inside Disney Parks.